Welcome to the step-by-step guide to FeedFlo calibrations. Like all equipment, FeedFlo sensors need to be calibrated to be accurate. We start off with one exact calibration right after installation, and then continuously calibrate using delivery data and monthly bin checks after that. You can calibrate your sensors using the calibration tab on the FeedFlo dashboard, or you can do this through your mobile app. On the dashboard, you'll see a chart with FeedFlo's calculated bin levels for each bin set. The horizontal and vertical bars on this chart are your calibrations. Let's walk through this example from the start. These sensors were installed at the end of October, and the barn manager ran their exact calibration between October 1st and November 3rd. This means that they started with an empty bin, delivered a known amount of feed to it, and then only fed out of this bin until it ran empty again. When you're ready to do this exact calibration at your barn after installation, you can input this information through the dashboard here or through the mobile app. On the app, go to your barn. Then click New Exact Calibration. For each bin set, enter in the known amount of feed delivered to your calibration bin. Once you open the slide and start feeding from this bin, set that as your calibration start time. Then click Save. A few days later, when your calibration bin runs empty, come back into your FeedFlo app and click Continue Exact Calibration. Set the calibration end time to when your bin ran empty. Then click Complete. Double check that all your data looks good, and then slide over this bar to finish up. You can now choose to submit your first monthly bin check, or do that later. And that's it. Your sensors have their starting calibrations. To keep your sensors calibrated over time, you'll need to input one bin check a month. That's this blue line on November 15th. These bin checks allow us to continuously calibrate your sensors and make minor adjustments for different feed types and weather changes. You can input monthly bin checks here on the dashboard or through your FeedFlo mobile app. To enter your monthly bin check on the app, click on your barn. Then click Bin Level Reset. Select a method for how you checked your bin levels, set the date and time for when you checked your bins, and enter in your best estimate for feed level per bin. Then click Create. That's it. You're done until next month. You can check if all of your sensors are calibrated on the Summary tab of your barn. Please note that in order to use continuous calibration or bin checks to keep your sensors accurate over time, FeedFlo does need access to your feed delivery data. Check out our inventory video or reach out to FeedFlo support to set that up. Check out the other videos in our Getting Started series to learn more.